Hey everyone, Edward here at Windows Report, and in this video I will show you what to do if your Bluetooth audio is stuttering in Windows 11. So the first solution that you should always take in consideration is to simply uninstall the Bluetooth drivers. To do this, right-click the Windows button, then select Device Manager from the list of options, and now in here in the Device Manager window, make sure to expand the Bluetooth section. Next, right-click the problematic Bluetooth device and then select the Uninstall Device option. Lastly, just confirm by ticking the box next to attempt to remove the driver for this device, and then simply click on the Uninstall button. Now the last thing you have to do is simply restart your computer, and you'll see that Windows will automatically reinstall this driver. And then you can check if the problem still persists. Another useful solution is to update the Bluetooth drivers. To do this, right-click the Windows button, then select Device Manager from the list of options, and now in here in the Device Manager window, expand the Bluetooth section, and then right-click on the problematic Bluetooth device and select the Update Driver option. Now the last thing you have to do is simply click on Search automatically for drivers, and Windows will now try to find the best possible drivers on your PC. You can now close these windows, restart your computer and check if the problem still persists. Moving on, another useful solution is to run the Bluetooth Troubleshooter. To do this, press the Windows button, then select the settings icon. Afterwards, make sure that System is selected on the left pane, and then on the right side, scroll down until you find the Troubleshoot category and click on it. Now simply click on Other Troubleshooters, and lastly, under the Other section, you can click the Run button next to Bluetooth. Windows will now detect any problems with your Bluetooth and fix them as soon as possible. And you can check if the problem still persists. And lastly, another useful solution is to simply restart the Bluetooth support service. To do this, press the Windows button, then type in Services, and then select it from the search results. Now in here, scroll down until you find the Bluetooth support service, double click on it, and what you have to do in here is click on the drop down menu next to Startup Type and then select Automatic. Now the last thing you have to do is click on Apply and OK to save the changes, restart your computer and then check if the issue still persists. However, as an alternative, we highly recommend you to try out Restoro, which is an app that specializes in scanning and repairing any issues with your Windows operating system faster than you think. At the same time, Restoro also repairs damage caused by malware, which is a great plus in functionality. So make sure to check out the link in the description below. And that's it. Super simple, isn't it? And of course, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and as usual, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.